Hi Travel Bugs, it's me, Simply Sherry, helping you stay organized and savvy while traveling. If you need to get organized before, during, or after travel, whether it's a road trip for business or an international flight, hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified for my next how-tos and tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how I organize my toiletries for my 6-day trip to Iceland in this Travelon compact toiletry kit in lime. And then I will show you how I organize my tech stuff in this tech accessories organizer in charcoal, also by Travelon. This is what the bag looks like from the front, and you can see the logo here. I like the lime green. I think they have other colors, and the zipper is really easy to open, and it has a long part here where you can grab it. I don't like those zippers that are like tiny like this, so this is really nice. Now I do have a free PDF. You can check out the description box below of how to pack your suitcase in 5 simple steps for a stress-free journey. So when you open up the toiletry bag, it looks like this, and I love that there is a hook. So one thing I look for in my toiletries bag is that it has a hook. It is so convenient in the hotel or the Airbnb or even your friend's guest room to hang this up in the bathroom so everything is there and accessible for you. I just have here Band-Aids. I always bring Band-Aids and Neosporin because these are items that, you know, if I or one of my family members gets a little nick or something, it's easier to have it than trying to find a store and getting something like this. It's worth it for me to always pack something like this. Of course, you have to get travel size. And then there are 3 mesh sections here, all with a divider. So I just have my sunscreen. I use sunscreen all the time, especially on my face. This is SPF 50. Then these I got from a hotel, and I just fill it up with my own shampoo and conditioner. And then this is just body lotion. Now most of the time the body lotion is fine for me in the hotel, but sometimes they don't provide it in the Airbnb, so I go ahead and bring it. Now this larger pocket, you can see how thick or thin it is. It also is mesh, and it has a nice regular zipper, nothing fancy about these zippers. So in here, I have my eye makeup remover. This was a container for cotton buds, a travel size one, and I just reuse it. It also has cotton balls in them, and I use that cotton ball for my eye makeup remover. So I've had bottles open up on me, whether it was a road trip or an international trip. And so what I've done is to go ahead and take saran wrap, cut off a little piece, put it on top, and then fasten it back on, and that makes it more secure. You just have to get a little piece of saran wrap like that, cut it up. You can fold it over a couple times and then just lay it over the bottle. Okay, I also have deodorant, and then I also like to grab some body spray. Okay, here I just have a rubber band around these packets. Now I didn't pack this, I brought this back. This was at the hotel where I stayed. It's a makeup remover, so I thought that was nice to use on my next trip. And then I bring a few of these packets, which is nice to always feel fresh. And then these you can get anywhere. They're just a little container, and this is where I keep my jewelry. So I am usually bringing 1 pair of earrings and maybe a necklace, and then I wear these earrings or another earrings on my way there. So I basically have 2 earrings and possibly a necklace, maybe a ring. Of course, I'm wearing my wedding ring. And so you can see how you don't need a large bag to hold your jewelry. It fits in this little pill box. I really liked this compact toiletries kit from Travelon. So glad that they gave it to me. I liked it because of the size. Now for some people this may not work for you, but I use everything except the Neosporin, even the Band-Aid I use. And so you just tuck in the hook here, fold it over, and then zip it with the nice long zipper handle. It also has a little loop here if you want to use it as a hook or to grab it while it's closed. This tech accessories organizer is in the color charcoal. Now, I don't know if they have other colors, and it has 2 places here for a snap. If you have need for more space, you can snap it here. If not, you can snap it a little bit closer. Now, I must point out that this snap was a little bit hard to finagle. So I'll show you that you can't just go on it and then press it down like you do most snaps. You have to kind of put your thumb behind so that there's pressure in the back, and then you snap it on there. Okay, so it opens up like that, and I like how it lays flat. There's this section with a darker mesh and a zipper. Again, all of their material is very good. I love it. I love how this feels, and the zipper is really nice here. I like that green accent. And then I have to point out here, like, even the stitching is nice. See, that's what it's a sharp looking bag, and then that's what it looks like. Here's the logo, and there's just kind of like this detail here. I really like it a lot. It looks great, and I love the size. It's perfect for me, for what I need. And then this has 2 sections with a divider there. This is where I put my plug for the outlet, and then here is where I put the card reader for my MacBook Pro. I just put my SD card there because I did take pictures, and I have a separate camera bag, by the way. And then here are 3 sections also divided with stitching. These are obviously a material. It's not see-through, it's not mesh, but this is where I put my plug for my battery charger. And then I have extra earphones here. I also have earphones in my tote bag, and if you want to see that video, check out the iCards or the description box. And then here I have fisheye lens that you can put on your phone. So I just clip it on here like that. And then this part also has a nice zipper. So this is kind of the thickness. It does hold a little bit more in there. It was just enough for what I needed. This is a great battery charger. I spent months looking for the right one. You know how you spend like a couple hours on Amazon and then you can't decide, so you come back a couple months later or a few weeks later. So I finally found this. It had great reviews, and it was deserving of those great reviews. It's the FOS Power. I'll put a link in the description box below. It has a compass, a carabiner, and somehow you always end up needing a carabiner. And then it opens up here, and that's where you charge it with this plug. And I use this tie, by the way, to tie this wire. So I think they come in a pack of 3, and they hold pretty well. Okay, so this one, inside, that's where you can have a USB, or you put the plug there to charge it up. And then it has this little button for a flashlight. I think that's fantastic. Oh my gosh, that was like, I think, one of my favorite features. But it's very durable, but it totally juices up your phone. It is so reliable. I love it. So at night when I get back to the hotel or Airbnb, I charge it up. It's ready for me for the day. And the other thing I have in here is my external hard drive. I think this is 1 gigabyte, and I just put a sticker to delineate that this is mine and no one else's in my household. So this is my tech accessories organizer from Travelon. I really like this. The only thing I'd say Travelon is to kind of fix up this snap. I'd love it to just snap really easily. I don't know, even if it was like hard Velcro, that would be great. You see how, okay, there, got that one. And then let's test this out. Maybe it's just me. I'm sure you didn't watch this video to see me fumble over a snap. Okay, there. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed seeing how I organize my toiletries and my tech accessories, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, travel bugs!